Hello everyone, this is Shubham from gossipfunda and today I'm going to elaborate about the topic how to watch YouTube videos frame by frame or without skipping any part of video that is skipped due to lagging issues. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for your reference, I've opened the gossipfunda YouTube page. As you can see, there are plenty of videos. Let's search for a video like this one, why my phone is not working, and let's see how to watch it frame by frame. So for your reference, I've opened the gossipfunda YouTube page and I will show you a video sample for it. And yes, do subscribe to the channel for further updates. As you can see, I've opened the video and there I've started this is basically my video only, and you can see that animation. Now how to see that animation in a slow way, just pause the video by using the space bar and do it like if you want to previously see the frame, use it the left arrow button or the comma button, and for the further like to the next frame you have to use the right arrow button or the full stop period button. I'll add the signatures and the logo of the arrow buttons in the video itself. Now as you can see, it is doing its work and you can see it looks so cool while on the pause play, and it's frame by frame. As you can see, it's almost like seeing a cinematic movie. And now let me tell you how is the procedure of doing it. So here's the procedure. First, pause the video by using spacebar or press the K key. Use the left or comma key for watching the previous video frame. Use the right full stop or period key for watching the next or the upcoming video frame. That's so cool, right? Although this one which I taught was restricted to computer and laptops only, there is a website in Google which you can try it from phone to watch frame by frame, and you can watch their YouTube videos frame by frame through your phone. Let's play this video for reference. As you can see, there is a watch glitch, sorry for that, but you can see there is a button written watch frame by frame. I will click it. As you can see, we can press on the three dot button and there we can see options like change step, settings and speed. As you can see, there are a number of options right there. Speed there is up to 1 and the fourth, and their FPS speed up to 60 fps. As you can see, it is very helpful too, but as I haven't used it in a while and not even right now, I won't recommend it to you. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you see my next video. Do like, comment and share it to your friends, and do subscribe to gossipfunda. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section, and I've also added a link in the description area. Do check that. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, goodbye.